to the Weather Watch now and a live look at the river walk in Michigan and Wacker between the winds and the cold. Hopefully you have your layers on if you're venturing out there tonight.
Yeah, it's really bitter out there, and we were forewarned, and now here's reality.
It's a nice night to stay inside and watch TV. Right? Too cold to be outside for any length of time. And boy, what a different weather day it is today around the area. Instead of the 60s, we got weather watchers telling us about snow possibilities. Jack is in Bourbonnais. He says wind chill 20. Had snow flurries on and off this afternoon. Did it snow where you live? Most of the snow was south of the city. Another major concern, of course, the high winds. Michelle knows all about that in the city of Chicago. A tree fell on Chicago's northwest side on the street, and she even has a picture to prove that. Be very careful for another few hours or so. These winds will stay strong. Got the advisory in effect until 6 technically. But let's move on. Talk about the rest of the weather story right now. If you're going to be out between now and midnight tonight, here's a breakdown. 8 o'clock, we'll have temperature around 30 degrees, 28 degrees at 10 p.m., 27 degrees at midnight. Notice the wind chills will be in the teens. Icy cold. These are the overnight lows we're expecting tonight. You live near Sherrville, you'll get down to 25 degrees. Evergreen Park, 26. Colder than that in Naperville and DeKalb and Woodstock, as temperatures will be barely 20 degrees or so, and it'll be pretty icy in the morning as well. Not much in the way of any flurries right now because the skies are trying to clear, but it could cloud up again later on tonight. That cold front is long gone, and you can see it's starting to affect places on the East Coast while we are just suffering from the cold. All around us, we've got these wind advisories still in effect. All of northwest Indiana, northeast Illinois, up in Wisconsin, western shores of Michigan, advisory until 6 p.m. Look at the current temperatures now. It's only 15 up in Fargo and 21 in Minneapolis, and that is some of the cold air yet to get here. It'll be working its way with those bitter winds continuing overnight and early tomorrow morning. Dress for winter weather again tomorrow, and cold all the way up through Wednesday night. So this story is one of almost the middle of winter when you're talking wind chills and flurries and breezy conditions over the next 7 days. Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, all in the teens. Could get enough snow to coat the ground Friday night into Saturday. December really has some bad intentions at times here, doesn't it?
Oh,